Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be deep cleaning my home. I'm actually going to be leaving out of town for a few days, and something I really enjoy doing before I leave is cleaning my home. And not just regular cleaning, but go a little bit deeper than I would usually do on my everyday, vacuuming and mopping and dishes and stuff like that. Going in a little bit more, making sure everything's washed and fresh, just because when you're out for a few days, it's really nice coming home to a clean home. I've always done this. I don't know, it's just something I really enjoy doing. So we are going to start off with the comforters and pillow shams and everything. We're going to get it all nice and washed. I usually do this the day before I leave out of town. So once I stripped all the bed covers from all the beds, it was time to wash them. I don't know about you guys, but I never really measure my soap. I just like to pour it in there. I feel like the more soap I pour, the better, because I feel like it's going to get more clean. I really don't know if it's true or not, but I just kind of eyeball it. So yeah. So right after I, left those washing, I decided to do both the tubs, mine and the girls' tub. They were actually not that dirty because I had recently deep cleaned these tubs, but I wanted to come in and give them an extra little scrub just in case I missed anything that one time around, and that way they were extra squeaky clean for when we got home. once I was done with both of the restrooms, I headed over to my living room and dining room. I wiped down my mirror first, just mainly for dust reasons. She doesn't get too bad, like nobody's touching or putting their fingers all over it, so it's mainly for dust reasons. I try to keep up with the dusting in my home just because I do have a Siberian Husky and she sheds a lot of fur. I also have very bad allergies, so I need to keep up, with the vacuuming and the dusting because it gets really bad. I'm actually saving up for, I want 4 air purifiers in my home because I want to put one in each bedroom and one in the living room. That way it helps me a lot more. My house is not too big, but it for one for the whole, house would not be enough. So I'm definitely trying to save up for those. I can't wait to, purchase them. So once the dusting was complete, I headed over to my sofa and my couch. I like to take this fur wizard, which I purchased a few years back. You're just gonna grab it, and depending on where the arrow is pointing, it depends if you go brush up or down. But this picks up everything. Nala, will brush herself against the sofas and stuff, and there's a lot of hair on here. You don't see it, but it's on here. So doing this helps me a lot with making sure, the sofas are nice and clean. Once you are done, passing these through the pillows and the sofa, you're going to put it in and then just in and out really quick, and boom. That's all the fur I have picked up from both of these sofas. That's a lot of hair, and that's hair that will no longer be on the sofas. So I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with this mop. I love the head part because it's able to twist and turn, so I'm able to maneuver it to do certain things, which I'll show you in a bit. But I hate how many bristles are on this mop. It has so little amount of bristles that sometimes I feel like I'm scratching my floor more than what I'm mopping it, and I really don't like that. So what I do is I do 2 times. I will come in and do my floor twice. I will do a very like deeper soak the first time around, just so I can loosen up the dirt, and then I will go in with a more drier mop a second time around. So when I come in this second time around with a mop, it's a little bit more drier, but it's wet enough that I'm able still to, do my floors. This is where I come in and do my baseboards as well. This is why I like that part of the head that's able to, twist a little bit, because while I do my floor, I will come in and also do the baseboards so they both get cleaned at the same time. And this is how I keep up with my baseboards because of this. That's the only reason I like it. This is the only reason I keep up with, I keep this mop around because of that. I'm able to come in the second time, do my floor, do my baseboards, and they're both nice and clean and not, dirty and full of dust. So as you guys can see, these dry sweeping cloths are not only good for your floors, I actually really love using them to dust off things like this, my glassware, all of, I even use this for my walls. I will put it on the Swiffer and just dust off all my walls and my fans because it picks up and it stays on the cloth. I really enjoy these, and these are the off brand from Walmart, so you don't really have to buy the expensive brand. This, Walmart brand works perfectly fine. So once we are done, cleaning up all of the debris, all the dust from all the centerpieces and stuff, then we will come in with a sponge and just soap it all down. Try to take off all the debris I can, like, any sticky parts and stuff. I do have to, re-sand and re-stain this table. We had a little accident one time, so it kind of ruined the stain. So in the future, I need to come and restain this table. So for right now though, we're just going to wipe her down and give her a good clean. And to finish everything out, I love to clean this, sliding door and the back of the home. Just, leave it on nice and clean so we can see through it at night when we let Nala out. It doesn't, no, it gets dirty. I lie. It gets really dirty. Nala will come and put her nose in the doorway. My kids will come and put their foreheads on the door and their hands on this door. Everybody opens this door. So it gets pretty ugly inside and out. But as you guys saw, I just pour my little vinegar stuff all over it and then just use my little squeegee and it cleans it up perfectly. As you can see, she's starting to look like a mirror and she looks great inside and out. All right, everybody, and just like that, we are done. I wish cleaning was as fast as when you edit it because it takes a whole day for me to do deep cleaning, but I love the feeling of my home. It feels nice, clean and fresh. One thing I forgot to show you guys is I love to put new air fresheners in my little, plug-ins before I leave. That way, when you get home, it's still smelling nice and delicious. Let me know what you guys do before you travel. Like, I would like to know. Maybe I can get, new ideas for when I travel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. I haven't been working on any projects. I've just had with, school coming back in and all that. I've been really, really busy. We are doing homeschool now, so we're really excited about that, but it's definitely something new for us. But yeah, I will see you guys in our next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Y'all take care. Bye.